All right, what's up, y'all? So I keep getting all these questions. I got this extra plug on my AC, on my Chevy truck. Where is it? Why is it there? What does it do? Let's take a look at it. Vortec 4.8, 5.3, and 6.0. All right, 2001, bubble eye. Let's pop the hood, see if we got that plug. Oh yeah, I can see it from here. There it is right there. We have an extra plug near the low pressure cutoff switch. So this is the low pressure cutoff switch right here. It's got a plug already plugged up in it. And we got another one right here. What is that? Why is it there? So this stops the compressor from coming on, you know, if the refrigerant in the line gets too low. But we got an extra plug on the 01. Let's check some other trucks. All right, so we got a 2002 Chevy Avalanche, same Silverado. There's no plug. Huh. Interesting. It's not there. We just have the same low pressure cutoff switch. Let's go over to the newly abandoned 2006 Cat-Eye that has bad heads that needs the engine pulled. So come over here. Yep, there's a low pressure cutoff switch. They're all the same. And what do you know? We got that plug right here. Black and brown wires. Huh. What does it go to? Do you need it? Did somebody get in here and just unplug something and that's why your AC is not working? No. So did you get lucky? You don't need it. So on these trucks, you know, there's a lot of different configurations and stuff, wiring harnesses, different trims, y'all know. Some of them have rear AC like SUVs and stuff like that. So it's not needed. You don't need it. You didn't just find the source of your problems. I wish it was that easy, guys. I really do. I wish you could just find the plug it up, and it's fixed. You probably have low refrigerant in the lines, but the short answer is it's an extra plug. It's made for a different setup. You don't need it. Just leave it alone, ignore it, and pretend like it's not even there. So I'm working on my Kubota Excavator today. It's coming along pretty good. We got the Cat-Eye in the distance right there. We got a bubble eye right here. We got a Kubota Excavator right here. Putting some new bushings in there today, but y'all want to see a Chevy truck tip video today, so that's what we're talking about. If y'all want to check out some Kubota Excavator action, I don't know. I see a Cat-Eye, I see a Kubota. What should we do with the excavator? I wonder. So when I recharged the 2001 bubble eye, because I'm a bubble eye guy, I recharged this, and that plug was there, right? They're always there. Well, on some years they're there. You don't need them. I suspect they're for the rear AC. Really, I keep getting a lot of questions about this. Haven't paid it much attention. I was like, you know what? Y'all are right. There is another plug there. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like it doesn't even exist when we're working on a Vortec 4.8, 5.3, 6.0. And just going to charge it normally and just make sure that this switch is good and that those wires are good, and then this is just not needed. We're gonna leave it unplugged and just let it dangle there. You didn't discover, you know, a cheap fix, an easy fix. Oh man, it was just unplugged. Not the case. It's not needed. Just leave it there, and you know, you're gonna have to do the hard work, unfortunately, on these trucks. Recharge the system properly to get your AC to work again, in most cases. So that's it for the video. Guys, I wish it was that easy. I really do. I wish you could just get in there, plug something up, the AC would work. Unfortunately, you got leaks. You got to get in there, solve the leaks, recharge the system. You know, it is what it is. But I've done that on this truck behind me. Y'all can check out that video. I'll link to it somewhere up here down in the description. So I got Kubota Excavator behind me. I'm gonna get back to work on that thing. That looks like a lot of fun for today. But if you enjoy Chevy truck tip videos, don't forget, drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe because I have plenty more Chevy truck tips where this came from. Later.